The Volkswagen Modular Infotainment Platform, or MIB system, has evolved through multiple generations, each offering different reset capabilities and troubleshooting options. MIB systems started with basic reset options in Generation 1, evolved to standard procedures in MIB 2, advanced capabilities in the current MIB 3, and upcoming MIB 4 will feature self-diagnostic abilities. The MIB system operates on a Linux-based platform with multiple layers handling different functions, from core system operations to user applications and hardware interfaces. Understanding the system architecture helps determine which type of reset is needed for different problems. The system consists of 4 main layers: the hardware interface at the bottom, communication layer for connectivity, application layer for user functions, and the core Linux operating system at the top. Now let's examine the 3 main types of resets available for MIB systems, each designed for different problem severities. Soft reset is the gentlest option, preserving all your data while resolving temporary glitches. Hard reset erases user settings to fix persistent software problems. Master reset is the most comprehensive, requiring dealer tools for firmware corruption. Modern MIB 3 systems feature large touchscreen interfaces with advanced diagnostic capabilities, making reset procedures more accessible to users while maintaining system reliability. Understanding these reset options helps you choose the right approach for your specific infotainment problem, from simple reboots to comprehensive system restoration. There are 2 main ways to perform a soft reset on your VW MIB infotainment system. The first method uses the power button. Method 1. Press and hold the power or volume knob for 10 to 15 seconds until the system completely shuts down and restarts automatically. Method 2. Navigate through the menu system. Go to Setup, then System, then Reset, and select Restart Infotainment System. Factory resets are more comprehensive and will erase all your personal settings. There are 2 main methods for performing a factory reset. The first factory reset method uses the menu system. Navigate to Setup, then System, then Factory Settings, and select Reset to Factory Defaults. The second method uses a button combination. Turn off the ignition, hold Menu plus Power buttons, turn ignition to on without starting the engine, and continue holding for 30 seconds. Important considerations. Navigation favorites may be recoverable if synced to your VW account, but all other personal settings will be lost. If problems persist after these resets, professional help may be needed.